DJ. Sorry ass DJ. Sorry ass DJ.
Baka nahila na yung ano nyo, trolley nyo. Guys, ang mahal-mahal oh. Dining set. 33,000 na. Grabe. Oh? 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my God. Tapos ito, 30,000. Wow. Ito, 24,000. 3-piece Stanford accent chair. Oh, 3-piece pala yan. Grabe guys, no? Oh. And this one, tignan mo, nagutom yung ano ko, mga boys ko. Dali lang. So, ito naman guys, 29,000 each. So, ito na yung new price. Dating 34,999. So, per piece is 29,000. So, 30,000 na siya guys. Grabe. Per piece ha. Oh. And then this one, para siyang pang-relaxing chair. Wow! 19,000. My guys. Ooh. Grabe. 4-piece. So, ito kasali yata ito kasi 4-piece na. Wow. So, this is 20,000. Wow. Ah. My goodness. And this one guys, ito yung typical na outdoor, Troy Adirondack. Ito lang guys, 10,000. Paggawa ka na lang sa karpentero mo. So, and this one, wow, 15,000. Chair with ottoman. So, ito kasali ito. This is the ottoman. So, it's worth of 15,900. Okay? And this one is set of 21,900. So, 22,000 na. Dating 24,999. So, ito na. 3-piece. 2 chairs and 1 table. Sa gitna. Coffee table. Action lunch set. This one naman is 3-piece bistro set. So, ito yung set niya, guys. It's worth of 21,000, I mean, sorry. Ayan. So, 3-piece na siya. It's made of metal. So, this is it. The 3-piece is here. So, grabe. Napakamahal. Magkano ko lang nabenta yung sa amin. Dinispose ko yung sa amin. 4 chairs pa yun worth of 15,000 lang. Bagong-bago. And this one naman is 8,000. Ito yung bagong selling price niya. So, 8,000. This one is 8,000. Yeah. So, guys, ito yun. Punta lang kayo ng Circle. So, ito yung pinaka-sold and price per piece. Per piece pala to? So, here. So, set na yata ito. Imposible na. Oh, set na yan. So, ito yun ngayon. Ang pinaka, ano yan. So, guys. So, ito naman yung living, pergola. So, worth of 17,999. So, that's it. And this one naman is 24,999. Console table with 3 tools. Okay? So, ito yung mga anak ko. Kakat ko lang to. Tagal na.